Sada yeke. One drink left and I'm a cup. New buckle, I'm still up.
It's a beautiful morning, man. Alright, shit, starting off the day with a little protein shake. This shit might not look the best, but hey, it's gonna get you right, man. It's gonna get you the muscles. You know what I mean? Yeah, starting off the day right. So first off, looking for some structure points in the morning here. Can see I find one nicely on gold around 2,323. Looking like a nice area. So that's the first thing we do is set up our structure point areas. Matter of fact, the first thing I should do is check for the fundamentals to see what the news be doing. No news today, which is good. I like that. So price will not be influenced by anything. These are two structure points we can look at today. So we already have some rejection from this area already. At the 2,300 area. Oh, it's on my 5 minute. I should be on my 15 minute, my bad. Two structure point areas would be this. And yeah, so now we just have to wait for this 15 minute to close to see how it closes, if it's gonna break the structure point or resist it. See what the Nasdaq saying. Alright, so Nasdaq we can see the structure point here that was formed in the London session. Make sure to mark that off real quick. It looks like price is breaking it, so we might be in for a break and retest setup for Nas this morning. When it comes to the New York session when it opens, I just try to dabble a little in the market. I don't be trying to force and mark up every single thing, because at the end of the day the session just start. You know what I'm saying? The session literally just starts, so there's not much history in this session that you can really work with. So yeah, I'm just finna lightly mark up the market, lightly, you know, find some structure areas that were previously made either in the London session or New York session and go with it. You know what I'm saying? So US30, probably wait for a nice break and retest. But yeah, so I'm gonna just come back and hit y'all up if I see something or if I plan to take a position or whatnot. Alright, man, so I just entered my first trade of the day. So hey, we're gonna see how it plays out. It's on gold. See an overall risk $70. So here, bottom you can see $70. So we're just gonna see how everything plays out, man. I'll update y'all if any further movement is happening, but so far we're getting a little push down, which is nice. I want to see continue that way. And on NAS 100 we look like we're setting up for a break and retest, which is a bullish confirmation signal here to go along. And I like to see that because, as I mentioned in my previous video, normally NAS and gold go opposite of each other. So the fact that this is setting up for a bullish sentiment with my strategy, and this is setting up for a bearish one, even gives me more confluence as well. Who knows, I still might even enter a position over here on the Nasdaq. But yeah, just gonna wait and see what forms, if or SL get hit or we break structure point and continue to go down to all the way to TP2, because that's what I'm really holding for. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, a little update. I took a little bit more riskier entry here on gold after price broke this little 5 minute resistance area, retested it. And yeah, if I'm for a more safer entry, I should have waited for this break of the structure point, but I was like, you know what, just entered. So we're in a little bit of drawdown right now. Since this second trade, the price might end up hitting stop loss, to be honest. So if price hits stop loss on this one, it's cool because this trade is in profit. So if price does end up hitting stop loss on this one, we're just gonna be losing around break even for the day, because this trade is in profit, this trade hits stop loss, that evens it out, break even basically. So yeah, still a lot of risk-free trade, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I said this is a more of a risky scaling still, but it is what it is. If price could form a nice strong bearish candle here, that would be nice, because that would be showing us price doesn't have enough strength to break these highs, continue with the lower low momentum, right? Because you can see price shifting lower lows here, lower highs I should say, and price have lower lows here. So if we get a strong bearish candle, which is what look like to forming out now, then my confidence in this trade going all the way down is more higher probability. So we'll see how all of that goes. But the main thing that will make me feel good though is if price can break the structure point. That's the main thing. If the structure point, 15-minute structure point get broken, it's good. But the thing with this now is gold. I mean, Nas looking up for a sell, looking like a sell bias right now. Yeah, so I'm talking about. Yes, I'm just exit right now. Yeah, so first trade of the day, break even. So you're gonna see what a second one will do. This time on Nas, it's looking good so far. I don't like this though. Why is Nas and gold moving the same way? That either mean gold is gonna probably correct itself and shoot up, or Nas is gonna correct itself and stop me out. But nevertheless, we're in this trade right now. Show y'all it right here. So this is overall like a 1 to 7 or so RR. Why's my screen black? Okay. Don't mind that my stop loss is up here. My actual stop loss is this green line right here. I just put it up there for a safety net, in case price just spike and got back in my direction. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So gold failed me this morning. Go check Nas, see what Nas doing, and yeah, potentially get some wins. So I'll update you all once it progress. This close to TP1, and now it's going on a rejection, but at least we got to break that structure point here. So the chances of price going down to TP1 is even highly likely to happen. And you can see TP1 and 2 got hit on gold. So we're just going to wait for the outcome and see what happens. So yeah, to tell you the truth, I forgot that the camera was recording, so I did not even make a closing out or anything. But yeah, as you can see, TP got hit, closed out live, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So